Thank you all for joining us at the Bone and Joint Club Run 2024. Your enthusiasm and energy made the event a great success. We hope you had as much as fun in participating as we did in organizing the event. With your support and encouragement, we wish to organize the event next year in a better and a bigger way. We're looking forward to see you all there. Thank you. Here are the glimpses of the first edition of our Bone and Joint Club Run 2024.